This is the week of March 29th through April 1st. You do know that you do not have school on April 2nd because we are out for Good Friday. So this week, guys, we're actually going back and reviewing and visiting topic 16. And you may remember, but actually in the first and second week of school, we covered topic 16. So you've already done those pages in your textbook. This was actually a review of geometry, kind of going back into like what you should have done at the very end of the year, third grade. So we are going to go back though and revisit these topics or these ideas within topic 16. And when we open up Monday's folder, you're going to see that math looks a little bit different this week. So instead of like a teacher video, you guys are going to be logging into Savas each day. So if we look here on Monday, the question that we're working on is how do mathematicians identify perpendicular, parallel, and intersecting lines? So we're going to go back and review those three types of lines. First, when you log into Savas, you will notice that a lot of these assignments this week are probably out of order. So it's going to be very important that you pay attention to what you see written here next to each assignment. So on Monday, you're obviously going to look for the three that are labeled Monday. So the first thing you're going to do is watch the video lesson and follow along. You can't click here or watch this. This is just a screenshot of what you will see on Savas. Your independent practice is also on Savas. There are two parts. There is no exit ticket today, but just these two independent practice portions. Again, making sure that you're working on lines on Monday. When we go into Tuesday, we're going to go back and revisit the types of triangles. So how mathematicians identify and classify triangles based on their sides and their angles. So again, you're going to log into Savas. There is a video you're going to watch. Again, this is just a screenshot of what you're going to see. After you watch the video, you will complete the independent practice, and there's also an exit ticket. Again, it's all located on Savas. We will meet at 2 o'clock each day to go over this work, and I will also give you some additional practice questions that we'll do in our meetings. On Wednesday, same thing. Logging in, except for on Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to look at classifying quadrilaterals based on their sides and their angles. There's a video that you're going to watch and follow along, some independent practice. There is no exit ticket on Wednesday. Finally, on Thursday, again, we said 2 days on quadrilaterals, so this is day 2. You will log into Savas, you will look at Thursday. There is a video you're going to watch, some independent practice, and an exit ticket. We will meet at 2 o'clock, and that is your week in math. Let me know if you guys have any questions.